equation of a line through one point and parallel to a given line. To understand this, let us take an example. Line L passes through A, -3, 0. Another line K that is parallel to this line has a gradient of 4. We need to find the equation of the line L. Well, we have a point on line L. We could use the gradient point form of the equation of the line if we know its gradient, but it is unknown. We do have the gradient of line K. Since line L is parallel to line K, its gradient will be equal to that of K. We can substitute x1, y1 as -3, 0, and ml as 4 in the gradient intercept form of the equation of a line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to 4x plus c. 0 is equal to 4 times -3 plus c. 0 is equal to -12 plus c. 12 is equal to c. Thus the equation of the line is y is equal to 4x plus 12. Let us take another example. Example 2. Line L that passes through 3, -4, is parallel to the line 3x plus 6y is equal to 10. Find the equation of line L. We know that the standard form of the equation of any line is y is equal to mx plus c. We need to find the value of m and c. We are given that the line L passes through 3, -4. Let us substitute the values of x and y into the standard equation. -4 is equal to m times 3 plus c. -4 is equal to 3m plus c. Thus we get an expression relating m and c, but without the value of either of them, we cannot find these constants. We are also given that the line L is parallel to 3x plus 6y is equal to 10. First, let us transform this equation into the standard form by making y as the subject of the equation. Adding -3x to both sides, we get 6y is equal to -3 times x plus 10. Dividing both sides of the equation by 6, we get 6y over 6 is equal to -3x over 6 plus 10 over 6. Y is equal to -1 over 2 times x plus 5 over 3. From this equation, we can deduce by inspection that the gradient of this line is -half. Since this line is parallel to line L, the gradient of L will also be -half. Substituting m is equal to -half in equation 1, we get -4 is equal to 3 times -1 over 2 plus c. Therefore, -4 is equal to -3 over 2 plus c. Adding 3 over 2 to both the sides of the equation, we get -4 plus 3 over 2 is equal to c. Therefore, -4 times 2 plus 3 all over 2 is equal to c. Therefore, -8 plus 3 all over 2 is equal to c. Therefore, c is equal to -5 over 2. Now that we have the values of m and c, we can write the equation of line L as y is equal to -1 over 2 x plus -5 over 2. Y is equal to -x over 2 minus 5 over 2. Thus the equation of a line passing through a given point x1, y1 and parallel to another line can be found.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.